Hi, welcome to Garden State Veg. I'm Jeff, and today is Saturday, February 28th. We're 5 days past the blizzard, where we had 25 or so inches dropped on us here in central New Jersey. Things are melting. Today it's about 53 degrees Fahrenheit, but everything is still snow covered. The garden beds are still snow covered. There's not much we can do outside. But I thought I would try something new I've just heard about. I think it's been around a couple of years, so I'm surprised I've only just heard about it. But it involves carrots and egg cartons. Have you heard about this? If you've tried it, let me know your results. Leave me a comment. Be interested to hear from other people how it went. But I'm trying it today. I've already got some started. What I did was I took a egg carton. This is an 18 cell or 18 cup egg carton. I took the lid off and a part of the side, leaving just what you see here in the tray. I cut an X, a big X in the bottom of each one of these cells. Put my finger through it so there was a good opening. You want to have that, my understanding, because carrots have a tap root, and you don't want that hitting the bottom of the cell and then curling and wrapping around. You're not going to get a very nice looking carrot if you get a carrot at all. So I've X'd that out, put my finger through, made sure it's going to be open if the taproot gets to that point. These carrots aren't going to stay in the cell very long, maybe 3 weeks, somewhere between 2 and 3 weeks. And my plan is to drop the whole cell into the ground. I'm going to bury it, covering all of the carton, because any parts of the carton exposed, it'll act as a wick and draw the moisture away from the soil and the carrots, and I don't want that. So everything needs to be covered. What I'm doing now, I've filled the egg carton with my homemade mix. If you're interested in that, you can check one of my earlier videos on how I put that together, the ingredients. I filled those. I've pre-moistened them, wet down the surface with a spray bottle, and I've sowed anywhere from 3 to 4 seeds per cup or per cell. Because my carrot seeds are a couple of years old, germination is not going to be anywhere near 100%, maybe 50%. So I want to make sure I have at least one good carrot in each cup, and if I get more than that, I will cut them, not try to pull them, because I don't want to disturb the remaining seedling, so I'll cut them off. The important thing here is to keep the soil moist, and probably have to soak this in a tray of water for about 20 minutes every 2 or 3 days, depending on how dry things get. So we're going to try that, and we'll see what happens. And this will be something for like a part 2 of the video in about 3 weeks, when I attempt to set this out in the garden, and hopefully the soil will be snow free and warm enough for carrots. So stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. I'd appreciate that. And until next time, enjoy the garden.